Ever wonder if your business banking is actually helping or hindering your growth? When you're scaling a business, every tool needs to be an asset, especially your bank. Today, we're pitting two popular online business financial platforms against each other, Relay and Mercury. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one is the better fit for your company's next stage. Both Relay and Mercury are financial technology companies, or fintechs, offering business banking services through partner banks. This means they both provide the modern, low-fee experience you expect, but they each focus on a different kind of business. Let's start with Mercury. If your business is in the tech space, high growth, or venture-backed, Mercury has built its platform specifically for you. Their major selling points are developer-friendly features like API access and sophisticated integrations with many startup tools. They offer free domestic and international USD wires, which is a huge cost saver, and they even have unique perks like their treasury product for earning a yield on idle cash. Mercury is sleek, tech-forward, and provides a strong foundation for scaling a fast-moving, capital-intensive company. However, Mercury's customer support is often email-only, which can be a pain point for critical issues. Now, let's look at Relay. Relay is built with the small to medium business owner and their bookkeeper in mind. Their core strength is cash flow clarity and team management. Relay allows you to open up to 20 individual checking accounts, all with no monthly fees or minimum balances, perfect if you use systems like Profit First or just want ultra-clear budgeting. They also shine with robust role-based user permissions, giving you granular control over what team members or your accountant can do. If you need phone support, Relay is your winner, as they offer it unlike Mercury. The trade-off? Relay's international wire transfers usually cost a small fee, and their additional services, like treasury, aren't as sophisticated or as focused on the venture funding world. So, how do you decide? Choose Mercury if you are a startup, e-commerce business, or have venture funding. You prioritize advanced integrations, free wires, and sophisticated treasury options, and you're comfortable with email support. Choose Relay if you are an SMB, a bootstrapped company, or use a method like Profit First. You prioritize multiple fee-free accounts for crystal-clear budgeting, detailed team permissions, and the option for phone support. Ultimately, both offer a significant upgrade from a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. The best choice is the one whose features align with your financial processes and your business's growth trajectory. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.